with Upendra, our engineer, and we're gonna dive into how ToolJet stands out for the AI app builders. And today we'll look at what makes AI builder and explore ToolJet's workflow for today. So whether you're a founder, engineer, or maybe builder, you can walk away with practical details that you can use in immediately. Let's jump in. Before it gets started, Upendra, can you give us on what we're going to dive in for today?
Yeah, thank you, Pan, and welcome everyone for this amazing session. So today, uh, I'm going to walk you through ToolJet, a low-code tool that lets you build simple apps and dashboard. My By dragging UI component, connecting them to the APIs, so it provides you directly drag the components and set according to yourself. It's kind of like WordPress and Shopify. Have you seen? So it's beginner friendly and no code. It also allows you to connect directly to the blockchain RPCs. So it has certain settings. Using that, we can connect to the APIs. We can also call RPC call. So we can run JSON RPC calls and read on-chain data without writing a full backend. And in this session, I'll show you how to use it with the COTI mainnet and testnet to build a basic wallet lookup panel that fetch balance and transaction through the public RPCs. Without further ado, let me share my screen.
Cool, Upendra. Let's start.
So here is our tool, ToolJet.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Builds full stack enterprise internal app in minutes. So basically what their philosophy is, they are telling like while dealing with your customers and building your tool for the customers, there are many tasks in which you need internal tools. Like we're gonna see the examples here. uh,
Mm-hmm.
if we go and see the solutions, you can get build the retail tools, financial service, healthcare. So this is for the industry, what services you are providing, they are helping you build this too. But
Mm.
for the personal cases, for the debugging, you can build the internal tool. And if you want to uh, handle your database, handle your internal development debugging phases, you can build the tool for that too. And it has a simple interface. As you can see, you can give the prompt, it can build a tool for you. It looks like a lovable and other browser based tools. It provides everything to the browser. So let's see what else feature they provide. So mainly they are focusing, as you can see, build internal apps 10x faster. So you can build this, as I say, on click AI debugging, API modification, data model creation, all these tools. And you can connect with all the current stakes present in the market, like APIs and grpcs, through this tool. By just dragging it using the mouse, you can connect these database. There are so many database options provided by them. You can connect them to the cloud storage, AI LLMs, and SaaS tools. So they promise like they provide all these features. So we can directly go and generate app with using it. And the main philosophy, as I told you, they say like your developers spend 30% of your time on internal apps. So basically
Mm-hmm.
it seems like they are focusing on technical team or technical projects, which
Mm.
developers also build and prove tools for internal use cases. So they say like you can build all these tools because like these internal tools don't, and these dashboard don't need so much finished and proper UIs. It's for internal use, so why spend so much time for that?
Ah, I
So
see. So that solved the problem, right?
yeah, so we're gonna see like I mean, what we can build for a blockchain. Like in
Yep.
case of COTI, if you are working on the COTI, what you can build here, because
Mm-hmm.
most of the dApps need a front end which user gonna use, we have talk about. So let's take a simple example here. To build something, I need to create a prompt for that. And
Yep.
as I already said, if you need any context for the COTI blockchain, you can go and use the COTI documentation. It has a ask AI. You can ask your, you can say whatever you want to build. It can create a
Mm-hmm.
prompt context for yourself.
Oh.
So I am currently, I have opened the Comet browser because it helps a lot. Like, you have this AI tool, like I gone through and log in the ToolJet. It's logged here, so this is my dashboard here. But it also
Mm-hmm.
provided me this chat bot to assist me. So here I can ask anything to this Comet, and I can also delegate my task to the Comet. If I don't understand here, I can ask
Oh.
chatbot. So these
Mm-hmm.
are the, like, we have already discussed this in our previous live stream. Like, we have created a video on the Comet as well as
Oh.
Atlas. So Comet provides me, agentic mode. That's why I'm using Comet here to delegate my task to the browser
Mm-hmm.
agent. So this is our tool. Let's try a prompt. I kind of created a prompt here. Let me show you the prompt.
Let's see the prompt. Yeah.
So
So this thing is like kind of ChatGPT that is for builders and developers, right, Upendra?
yeah, sure. And it's kind of a browser based development tools,
Oh, a browser based.
and
Okay.
v0. But I think it provides you, it don't provide you that much of use cases and that much of powerful features, but it helps you to create internal tools, as they are saying.
Mm.
They have so many tools like creating AI agents as well and everything in the pipeline.
Oh.
I don't,
Mm.
I can't see the, as you can go in their website, in their solutions, they say AI chatbot. So you
Mm-hmm.
can create the AI chatbot as well. Let's click here.
Mm-hmm.
But when you go and try to build it, let's
Mm-hmm.
just log in it.
Yep. Does this require coding skills, Upendra, for
No, no, no.
ToolJet?
It don't require any coding skill. You just need to, give the prompt and drag and drop
Just
UI.
prompt, right? Mm.
And
So
it
it's
it
yep.
handles everything. And we're gonna see like how much it can handle by itself, or we need to have the
Mm.
coding skill here.
I see.
So I don't have any credits here, but as you can see, when you go
Okay,
and
we'll try
create,
out.
yeah, when you go and create something, it gives you the prompt for these type of tools like software debug
Oh,
tracker, task manager, employee directory, vendor management portal. So these
so
are
it
the templates it
separates.
provides.
Mm.
So currently I think it provides only these type of tools,
Yeah.
but they have in their pipeline to build something called AI agent and everything as
Mm-hmm.
well. So
Mm.
let me show you my prompt.
Yep. The
And what I
prompt.
can see, so the prompt is build a app COTI chain lookup. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, we are going to give it the our chain RPC link, and this is our COTI testnet RPC link, and
Yep.
we'll ask it to provide a dashboard through which we can go and check the information regarding our blockchain, like regarding our transaction, regarding our balances.
Mm-hmm.
So as this tool kind of fits for the dashboard, where you can create a dashboard on your data set of your company. So we are also giving such prompt to it to create a dashboard for us. And we have also, from the chat gpt, I have also asked some functionality. I'm helping it. So like there gonna be some simple functionality to get the balance of the user wallet, and to get the COTI transactions. So we provide the transaction hash, and it can provide the COTI transaction. We're gonna check like if it can build it, or if it cannot, we also have Comet here to help us. So that's why let's just give this prompt first. Okay, so it says It says, I'm sorry, but your input isn't clear enough for me to start building. To create this right app for you, I need a bit more information. What problem? Okay, so I try to give it a prompt in a .md file, and it kind of needed, I think, the prompt which is more theoretical. Like it just need a text, proper text for us.
I see.
So
That's right.
I'm going to ask Comet
Yep.
as I given prompt. It's not working and have issue. Just fix this prompt as per. We can also use Atlas for from ChatGPT. As you can see, as as we have given the prompt, now we cannot click here. It's going to and fetch all the information from the screen,
I
and
see.
it's getting the. As you can see, I can see the issue. Now it's
Okay.
fixing the prompt for us. Yeah, it's kind of building the prompt in a text format.
Mm-hmm.
Let's copy paste it.
Yep. So the new promise from Comet, right?
Yeah, it's
Cool.
still not working.
Okay. Let's try it out. Yeah.
Still not working. Try to make it more text as asked. So we also have a suggestion. Let's
Copy the
write.
suggestion, right? Okay.
Yeah, Comet should have read that suggestion, but in case if it has missed that, let's provide the suggestion.
Mm.
Okay, so Comet has updated the prompt and given the prompt in the text. So it is in the agentic mode right now. Agent
Yep.
is handling on behalf of me. That's what I wanted. Now Comet has on and updated the prompt and provided that prompt in here. Now, as
Mm-hmm.
you can see, it has taken the prompt and it start building here how I create your app spec. So it's creating my app spec right now. It will understand the business requirement, identify the target audience and their needs, create user stories and define core features, outline application, navigate and page hierarchy, and establish a visual style. So these
Mm-hmm.
are things it's kind of focusing right now, and it will create a spec for us as well. As Comet is currently in the agentic mode, so we are analyzing two tools currently. We are
Mm-hmm.
running ToolJet, but maybe if you feel like you don't understand what ToolJet is asking, in case you have given the prompt and it's asking about the spec and all, and you are complete beginner, you can use these AI browsers. You can directly ask here chat what it exactly mean, or you can use the agent of this browser which can handle all these messages on behalf of you. As you can see, it has created the spec. Now we need to verify this spec and move to the next step. So it's kind of taking some inputs from the user, not directly going to build everything and come with the result. It's asking some suggestion from the user, but I didn't have to completely click on the suggestion, as Comet already gone and read all the spec and click the button on behalf of me. So it gone and verify the spec, like what prompt we have given, what we required, if this tool is fulfilling all these things or not.
Mm-hmm. So right now it's working right for on the tooljet.
Yeah, it's working
Yep.
on the tooljet. As you can
Okay.
see, the link This is ToolJet. We
Yep.
have opened the ToolJet website into the browser,
Yep.
into the Comet,
Mm-hmm.
and we are using the agentic mode of the Comet.
I see. So actually, there's our audience said like "love you, brother," and also say hello and said "COTI is the best token right now." Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
MD Novar. Thank you.
So as you can see, the next step is how it's kind of designing a layout, or
Yep.
we can say the UI. So it's analyzing the application specification, mapping out the navigation hierarchy,
Mm-hmm.
identifying it, creating core application, configuring the interfaces, adding visual style, and testing layout functionalities. So
Mm-hmm.
let's see how our layout gonna look like. And it also says these things like you can, like it's also promoting their features, talking about here like while user is using, and it says it may take 10 to 12 minutes, which is a lot of time. So let's see like if it takes that much of time, if it is taking that much of time for each step. So it's slow if we compare with other uh, apps. And what we can do, we can also give this prompt to other app, as
Mm-hmm.
it
Oh,
is
really?
time.
Oh,
Like let's see like who makes it faster. If I go to the V0 and give this prompt to,
yeah. Okay.
okay, it created our layout. So this is our app layout.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
So it says like here we can paste our contact address or wallet address or transaction has. So we are currently given it a very small use case to check the address or hashes. So we can paste it here and get the information.
Mm-hmm.
And comment comment actually goes and say like the input is not clear enough.
Really? Okay.
So it's also judging the application. That's
Oh,
pretty.
oh my gosh. It's a judger right now. Okay, let's see. It said it's working good. I'm back at the top of the layout.
so
So,
s-
which part are you fixing right now, Upendra?
so currently it's a layout, but I think if we go and stop the comment for now.
Yeah,
So this is the layout,
our
and
layout. Yep.
we have described the application. Then
Mm-hmm.
application has provided us the spec. We verified the spec and then created
Mm-hmm.
a layout for us.
Mm-hmm.
Here, if you come and copy paste our wallet address, let me come up with a wallet address. So this is my wallet address.
Oh,
And if we try to look up,
yep.
it says the lookup it has successfully looked up from the blockchain, but
Mm-hmm.
it's not showing correctly. Let's go full screen.
Yep.
Still the preview is broken, like it's not showing the complete, like the text is not visible correctly, or
Mm-hmm.
half of text is missing here. And we face error, invalid wallet address or transaction has format, please check your input. Okay, we need to provide our,
So it's not a real balance, or
yeah,
right?
it's just giving me the layout.
Mm-hmm.
And if we go here, close our assist for now.
Yeah.
So it says the layout is ready.
Mm-hmm.
It also give us the option to edit the visual builder if we click on it.
Yeah.
So let's see like if we can edit it by ourselves. Okay, so here it opens.
Opens and then.
This opens us the dashboard where all the backend is connected. Like you can see the PostgreSQL as a database, simple database, then REST API, JavaScript, and all. So if we click here, let me drag it here and close this. And if we click here, it opens the fields. So I think it gives you the property. If you select this part, it opens the property and the style. You
Mm-hmm.
can go and change the button color. If sorry, the text color is change the text color. As you can see, we can make
Mm.
it green again, and you can also go and change this color. This is the icon color. Make it red, so it makes the dollar sign red. Yeah, control Z is working. That's good. So I
It
can.
looks like a Premiere Pro or something right now for me.
Yeah, so it gives you the functionality to drag the components if you want, if you don't
Oh,
like the components,
so
if you
many
don't like the
details
shape.
here.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's kind of Premiere Pro for the software, not the
For the
videos.
software, yeah.
So you can change the color, you can change the size. If we increase the size to,
Oh, it can increase the size as well.
yeah, the label size, it's increasing the label size, which is kind of text size.
Mm-hmm.
It was,
It should be 10, right? Should we try 10? About 10.
yeah, I
Oh,
think.
still.
And we can also try to decrease to 1.
Ah, so. Yeah.
So it's up to you, like you can change it. They are providing you all the functionalities.
Mm.
And after updating that, you, if you don't like the text, like suffix, it says the COTI, the balance, you can also change it to the Ethereum, but we're gonna keep it COTI.
About the functionality, is it like a bit different from VO2 or maybe Lovable or something for you?
Yeah, yeah, like it gives, if we talk about the layout perspective, comparing with the Lovable and V0, it gives you more flexibility. Like V0,
Mm.
V0 and Lovable don't give you that much of independence, go and change each and everything. Although V0 gives that, but it feels more, more powerful to me.
Mm, I see. Cool.
And as you can see, the balance is completely hard coded here. The value is, it's not fetching any value from anywhere else. It's just written this value.
I
So
see.
if we
That's right.
change it to
To a
10,
million.
so you can
Right.
see it becomes 10 koti.
I see. Cool.
And this all the functionalities. Still, I think for a beginner, as you know, like to operate the Premiere Pro, you need to know all these settings and
It's a
everything.
bit difficult, yeah, for some, I guess.
Yeah, so it's a no code, but they need to learn the platform. They need to go
It
and
takes a bit of time,
experiment
yeah.
with it. And also, if they have they go and check their YouTube channel and find out the demos and all, to figure out like if they are fixing something, if they are changing something, how it's gonna affect the website or the dashboard.
So they should
So
watch our COTI live stream to help.
yeah, yeah, they can also comment their question. We can go and explore
Yeah.
for them.
Everyone, you can ask question for everyone who's watching this live stream. Feel free to leave a comment.
So now, where is the option to
Okay.
go to the next step?
Yep.
So if we go and click generate, okay, now it's asking me
Mm-hmm.
how I want to move forward, but still our platform was not complete. So what we can do, we can go back. No, so you it want me to enter the prompt to change it, but it's missing one thing.
Mm-hmm.
And
What's missing right now?
actually, there was a button for the next step, and we didn't take the next step. We just jump it to edit the layout first. Now I want to go back and complete these steps, but I'm not getting any options here. Just let's try to find out. And this is promote the next environment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what we can do? We are not getting any options here. So let's we're gonna give the prompt to this AI. Like they're gonna figure it by themselves.
Mm.
So we ask it to move to the next system and build this app. Let's see like if it can figure out by themselves. Like we have missed several steps, or it can, or we're gonna be, stuck here. Let's see.
Let's see. Oh, it takes a bit of time actually.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
So while we're waiting, what you will you try
yeah.
right now? Or
So I think it's taking time. So
yeah,
we can go to another tool and give the similar prompt. I
yeah.
gonna go to open the V0, my favorite go-to tool, and what we can do, we can copy paste the similar prompt here too. I gonna
Like for people in enterprise or maybe internal users, like what does like ToolJet helps, by the way, like for someone who just joined again.
Okay, so this is also a browser-based no-coding tool. You can go and create dashboards. They are mostly focusing on the internal tool. You can go and quickly create the internal tool using your database, a secure system. And we are exploring here in the live stream how good they are and how we can use these tools. And also we're going to compare it with the V0 right now because it's kind of taking so much time. And as I can see, there is an update by the V0. They are providing you Opus 4.5 support. That's really cool.
Mm.
So initially, I think they used to use their own LLM only, but now they are shifting to the cloud. That's really good.
Mhm.
This is a similar prompt, and I'm gonna give it to the V0.
Okay, we'll see.
It seems analyzing.
Okay. Do we have
Um,
to pay premium to get a bit faster?
I think so. I think so. I have premium of the V0. Maybe that's why it's faster.
Okay.
We can give the benefit of premiumness.
So everyone, don't forget to buy the premium version.
But they have given me, if I check, they have given
Okay.
me 14 days left, 14 days trial.
Oh, that's cool.
So you can get the 14-day travel in the starting, and then you can, if you find it good, you can buy the premium.
Yep.
Let's let's ask Comet to help us.
Okay. Come
Think
and help us, please.
our development got stuck. I can find next step. Yeah, Comet is on duty.
Okay. Upendra, I just want to ask, like, is it hard for like new users or maybe someone who don't understand coding to use like out the tooljet?
I think so. It is. It is kind of, because I think it's not completely ready, and it
Mm-hmm.
takes time, and it provides some technical jargons you need to search.
Mm,
So if
some,
you're
yep.
using Tooljet, it's a no code, but I suggest use some, browser, some AI browser, which has
Yeah.
a, as a Comet has this assistant.
Mm-hmm.
Although if you don't have this agentic mode in the AI browser, at least you can go and ask the question in the side, like what it means, what it want me to, move forward. So it feels quite, quite difficult for the very big.
Mm,
But if
I
you have
see.
some understanding of the coding, of you have built, developed one or two tools, you want to know the, you have the understanding all the terminologies, then there's
And the
no.
one who don't know about coding, right?
Yeah. So Comet also is waiting for it,
Yeah.
because the tool is waiting. So
And
let's.
which part do you think like if tooljet improve, it will help us do the work more easier or fluently or something for you, like personally?
I think if it provides more suggestions, and like they kind of give you more, more liberty to go and change anything,
Yeah.
which also make the dashboard look, cluttered and difficult to understand, because if you can change each and every buttons, each and every lines,
Mm-hmm.
they provide you editing stuff at that point. So it makes the dashboard cluttered. So that's no issue. I don't think that's a issue. Like, it just takes some time, as you can compare with the, any editing tool. They, when someone visit them, they feel so much, they give so much options, and they may feel overwhelmed. But they need to provide some kind of, initial demos, or like if you click here, what it means, everything, so it will be more user friendly. As you can start moving and start developing. But let's go and compare it with the V0. So it says it has developed something for us. Let's go and copy our address and try to check if it can fetch the information for us. So it also facing some issues. It says like get balance, COTI get balance does not exist. So what we can see, although it used to give us this issue, we have this issue. Go and find methods from Ethereum and use them. So Cody blockchain is also EVM based blockchain. Sometime if you want it to analyze something, and as we are looking up the balances and all these functionalities are same. So we can also give it the example of Ethereum. It will be easy for the AI tool to go and fetch the methodology of the famous blockchain. So that's what I have done. So it says like it can replace the method with this ETH get transaction and all. Let's see if it works or not.
Okay. Let's see the result of it.
Okay, says I have balance of 0.194408
Mm,
COTI. And if we go to the COTI testnet,
yeah, let's check it out.
yeah,
Oh,
it
yeah,
is.
exactly the same.
It is 0.1944.
Cool.
So it provides us a very cool dashboard. Like the design, it also looks premium, right?
Mm,
And let's
yeah.
see how it's building it. It is taking time.
Okay.
Now, ToolJet is taking time, and with it, our Claude, sorry, Comet is also stuck here because it's waiting for all these steps to be completed. Let's give it some more time.
Yeah.
And as you can see, let's try to check the transaction hash right now. We can go
Mm-hmm.
on the Explorer and find out. Okay, we can find the transaction hash from here also. We go and check out our previous transactions. Let's say this one. This is our transaction hash. Open here, and if we go, it gives us the information like the transaction from to. And if we compare the from address is our address, that's okay, that's that we know. And this
Mm-hmm.
to address is 0.0x4a56. This is this is the amount of fees we have spent.
Mm-hmm.
And these all are the queries, the transaction we have done. So let's see if the from matches for one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a 4-1. So
Oh.
it's working fine in a go. And the fees is, let's also compare the fee. So this is the gas and this is the fees, which is very less what's given here. 0.492032 COTI. This is a block number,
Mm-hmm.
and it also matches our block number.
So
We
nothing wrong right now, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
we
Oh.
if we check the state, yeah, it also says like the fee is deducted 0.296 and 0.292. It's close, but we can ask it like all the details are fetching right, just transaction fee is wrong. Let's see like if it can find it out by themselves or not. And so the AI has built-in feature authentication. Okay, any app you build come with the following capability built in, so you can focus on solving a specific business problem instead of building these common feature. Okay, that's good. They provides you authentication in build. You don't need to do anything, and they provide you the access control by themselves. So this is good.
Mm.
So what they are focusing here, like you just go and make the business logic on your database. We are providing all these feature, but they are taking so much time. And my credit limit, okay, is expired. Okay, so let's go and close this because this is not going to be really useful for us.
Okay.
Now ask comment. Let's could you help me to complete it?
Help us.
as my credit. Let's see, like, if it provides the flexibility, it gives the flexibility to Comet to go and change the code base.
Mm.
I don't see any preview code feature here, so you cannot see the code directly here.
I
But they
see.
have the functionality to share your code base,
Yeah.
so we can directly go and export the code base. But there's no feature to preview it.
Okay.
So it says like it can see the query is connected to local data source which has been discontinued. Let's please. So we are on the mercy of the comet.
Let's see. Let's see.
And if we check it here, let's provide this transaction hash again. But V0 is doing really great job. Yeah, now the transaction fee is 0.02963. That's correct within a prompt. That was awesome.
Awesome.
So if someone want to build any dashboard or like any financial tool for their blockchain, like if you are dealing with the COTI blockchain, you make all their positions, you make decisions on behalf of different activities on the COTI blockchain. You can create these dashboard using the RPC. From there they can fetch the information and filter it out, whatever information you want. You can make any business logic with that. So there's so much you can do using the AI on a blockchain, on the COTI blockchain, as you can see here. But talking about the ToolJet, still it feels like in the starting phase, and still I think it only follows their template, which template type of functionality it provides, like the debugging tool for the internal uh, software development team, or the tool, something like the database management or the inventory management. They have created a complete template. Anyone can go and directly create that. Blockchain per se, they don't provide much of the template for now. They have also declared, if you go and check out their blogs, let's say, they have mentioned some blockchain tools like the financial. Okay, if we go and see again this, these are the solutions they are promising they will provide. And if we go and try to find out their blogs, maybe I missed something. Let's just try to find out. They provide a blog on the blockchain
Mm-hmm.
deck solution.
Solution.
So there are so many blogs. I think I missed that blogs, but they, if you go and read all these blogs, you can figure out how you can build the tool using ToolJet. uh, they also have a YouTube channel. And still, what we can see from here, it's in the building or in the development phase. But if you can make the proper use of it using even Comet, let's figure out if Comet can help us. So let's just close it. The UI looks broken. Try to fix UI. But as we can see, it seems quite difficult for Comet too, because it
Mm.
it's not providing the complete code so that Comet can directly go and change in
I
the
see.
code. So what Comet can do, it can go and click the buttons, open the queries, and go and some make some tweaks in the queries as like a normal human being is doing,
Mm,
which is quite difficult for this agent. Maybe
I see.
we, yeah, as
Or
you can
like
see,
for ToolJet hiding something.
yeah, it's not giving whole information to the Comet.
Or you like we can we add like some more details so then it can might help. I'm not sure it will help or not for the text details or stuffs.
Yeah, we could have done that if their AI, like, okay, as you can see, like Comet is going and clicking all the buttons and figuring it out,
Yeah.
like how it can manipulate it. It's
Ah,
checking the styles which we already have done, like a
I
human
see.
being. You can
We
see
all
like
do that.
it is like clicking. So it's kind of video is turning on the Comet. But isn't it powerful? Like we can use one AI tool within another AI tool. So
Yeah.
we are using ToolJet within Comet. So
ToolJet.
we have two brains working here. Like
Mm-hmm.
ToolJet has its own brain,
Yeah.
but Comet is supervising it with the eagle eye view, checking everything and helping developers here. So this
So
is,
Comet act like a proof leader or something for this kind of web, right?
yeah. It says like I'll drag it to the better position. So it's grabbing the different components and dragging it and fixing the UI.
Mm-hmm.
But this don't look really good. The
Oh,
UI.
that's totally fine. Okay, while waiting, like I just want to ask, like, what kind of apps that might you're making on ToolJet for you, like on your personally?
I think for now we can only build the suggested templates they provide, or
Yeah.
if you want to build something using your own database, they can create a dashboard which don't look really pretty, as you can see. But if you see the dashboard of the V0, that was really pretty. So you can create the dashboard on your backend or on your database, or their templates. You can use their templates. This is possible on the tooljet right now.
Mm-hmm.
But if we talk about the blockchain and web3 part, I don't think it's ready.
I see.
So I think, as you can see, what Comet was doing, it's kind of going and dragging all these things here. Like if I drag it here, you can fix and move it here. So that's the powerful thing.
Mm-hmm.
And so the UI is powerful. Like it gives you so much flexibility. You can, it's like using the Canva, right?
I see. That's a good example
Yeah.
to show people.
So
Yeah.
that is a powerful thing. But for the Web3, still I think it's in the development phase. So
Mm-hmm. So how
uh,
long is this app, like, is it launched a bit
yeah, it's been launched a year ago.
a year ago, right?
Yeah. So I think that's it for today with the Comet. We have seen like how ToolJet can perform with the blockchain and COTI blockchain, but we also have monitored the important features of it. Like it provides you the authentication and SOS in build. You like when we create something on the V0. In case in the V0 you want to provide the database, as well as if you want to connect the authentication, you need to go and integrate it with the Superbase or use any third party tool. But ToolJet gives you inbuilt these functionality inbuilt. You don't even need to worry about that. You just go and create the database, and it will apply all this authentication itself. Uh, so it gives you the debugging options, it gives you the inspector options. So it's in the development phase, but it's built, they are building a very powerful tool.
Mhm.
And I feel like it's going to be a complete no code tool. And so that's it. I think we can visit later when it's ready. But V0 also did a really great job.
So that's a wrap up, right, Upendra, for ToolJet. Maybe we have a bit of problem on using it, but still, that's our experiment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and that's the wrap up for today's for the our COTI Foundation live stream. So today we explore on what ToolJet works, and it's actually a bit like V0 and Lovable, right? But it's might be for internal stuffs, and we walk through a bit on this application, even though it's a bit failed, but we'll try in our later tools and stuffs. And hopefully that will have some chance when ToolJet improve, and we might get something more interesting from uh, better than this live. So thank you, Upendra, and our engineer for today, and our lovely viewers from our Cody uh, Foundation live stream. And also, I hope that this session might give you some a bit an idea for creating some kind of website. And also, thank you for sharing us today. And thank you. So stay Cody.